The Johnstown flood, or the Great Flood of 1889, occurred on Friday, May 31st, 1889, after the catastrophic failure of the South Fork Dam, located on the South Fork of the Little Conemaugh River. The dam ruptured after several days of extremely heavy rainfall, releasing 14.55 million cubic meters of water. The flood killed 2,209 people. What caused the flood? Extremely heavy rains, and by the time it was noticed that the water in the lake above Johnstown was going to overflow, and the men set to work to unplug the drainage so that they could release water, it was too late. They were unable to get the spillway freed from the debris, and the dam gave way, rushing down to the town of Johnstown. It wiped clean everything in its way. And those people who were able to survive the flood by floating on the top of the debris lost their lives when the debris hit the stone railroad bridge, clogging it and catching on fire. The Allegheny Portage Railroad was the first railroad constructed through the Allegheny Mountains in central Pennsylvania. It operated from 1834 to 1854 as the first transportation infrastructure through the gaps of the Allegheny that connected the Midwest to the eastern seaboard across the barrier range of the Allegheny. The system was used primarily as a portage railroad, hauling riverboats and barges over the divide between the Ohio and the Susquehanna rivers. Today, the remains of the railroad are preserved within the Allegheny Portage Railroad National Historic Site operated by the National Park Service. Except for peak moments of severe storms, it was an all-weather, all-season operation. Along with the rest of the main works, it cut transportation time from Philadelphia to the Ohio River from weeks to just 3 to 5 days.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.